Sometimes people says, now you don't love me back. I say I love you, girl, but they ain't gonna understand that because sometimes girls, you understand them. Yeah. As for me, I thought I was a gangster. I thought I was going for in love like this, but it's happening, bro. It's like every nigga saying, oh man, how can I fall in love with a dark girl? It's like, oh, love, you never understand it and you experience it. Yeah. Now I'm writing a letter, you know? Like, your mom, your dad, your bro, every member of his family is trying to say, no, you ain't a nigga who can maintain this kind of girl because you're not worthy. So I'm trying to say, nigga, I love you, but, you know, shame on me. Yeah. Dear girlfriend, to my shorty, to my love, I don't trust me, say, girl, you me love. I was meant to be, so I'm asking now. Be late, I'm writing you, baby, we real love, yeah. Always home, texting on my phone. Really what I do, but I never found one. Why are your bankers now? How's it going? I wish you never met, cause now I'm drawing out. I'm out your feeling, baby. Oh. But I, same time, can't let you go, cause I'm so into you. Yeah, I'm out your feeling, baby. Oh, but I, same time, can't let you go, I'm so into you. Want you know this, wherever you are, no searches, baby, know you're the one. Stick to my promise, I won't love other girls, maybe cause of cash, baby, don't love those boys. I'm my friends, yeah, telling me that rich shit, but I trust when you say no matter distance is. But I'm bored being here without you, I'll be all alone. If my prayers are going to be answered tomorrow, I will be there, cause every day I pray just to see you one day. Yeah, 1 in a billion, but there's no billion. I miss that, and I think that me, I'm gonna be a sing like Tupac. That is why I say, girl, I miss you. So please just understand me, say I'm out your feeling, baby. Oh, but I, same time, can't let you go, cause I'm so into you. Yeah, I'm out your feeling, baby. Oh, but I, same time, can't let you go, cause I'm so into you.